welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a haul. It is the range haul. For some reason that's really weird to say. I done it on my last video. I found it hard to say the range haul. That's what we're doing today. It is a haul of the spring and summery stuff I found in the range. The range is actually really cool. It's kind of like an affordable homeware store that sells lots of things for your home. Obviously, I wanted to show you guys what was new in the range, and it's really exciting. I got some beautiful bits today. If you are new, by the way, my name is Sophie, aka Sophrina. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, so make sure you're subscribed down below. And also, if you want to show some support to my channel and if you're excited for the video, give it a thumbs up because it really does help me out. And without rambling, let's not ramble because it's nice and sunny outside. I need to show you guys what I got and then start using it. Let's just get to the video. Okay, so as soon as I kind of walked into the range, there was a massive section of faux flowers. They had a really good range actually. Faux flowers are actually super duper expensive, and I really realised that when I moved into my own home. But I have found some really nice faux affordable flowers, and here they are. OMG, how summery and springy are these? It's basically a lovely vase of wild poppies and lavender. They look so realistic. I absolutely love them. I love them so much. I really liked the jar as well, and the fact that it's like wrapped around with this ribbon. This will look good throughout the whole next few months, just on my table or maybe even on my makeup table just in the corner. I do actually have a lot of dried lavender, like real dried lavender that I picked last year when I went lavender picking, and I'm going to put loads of sprigs of that inside here so it still has that like real lavender scent, and people will get confused. They'll say, is this real? Is this faux? But the amazing thing about lavender is it can be dried and it lasts for a very long time when it's dried, and it still smells beautiful. So that's what I'm going to do. I really liked this. This was actually £12.99, so it is still a little bit pricey, but it's definitely much more affordable. If you look online at John Lewis and places that sell faux flowers, they're always really expensive. So £12.99, it will last a long time. I will get it out each year during the summer period, so I was so happy with this. Look out on my Instagram because I will probably prop this somewhere and take a lovely summery photo for my Insta in my home. I'm really excited. I also picked up these. These I have never seen before, but I absolutely love the Astonish brand because the Astonish brand is vegan, not tested on animals, and also it's a little bit friendlier to the environment. So these are toilet bowl tabs, and you basically throw a tab in the toilet, it says, and then it will foam up for ages, and basically what it's doing is completely cleaning that kind of pipe that goes down under your toilet. Oh my gosh, we're actually getting into proper toilet talk here. I thought it was really nifty. Also, I do love using toilet tabs, and it's really hard to find like environmentally friendly ones, but I'm gonna give these a go from Astonish. If you want an update on these, just comment down below you would like to know how they are, because I will definitely get back to you after I've used them. They smell really nice, like the box smells delightful. £1.49 for 10 tablets, and you use it like every month or so, like once a month. So that is really good. This will last like nearly a year, which is really good. I highly recommend the brand Astonish, especially for their sprays as well, their surface sprays. Really good, friendly on the environment, very affordable. I picked up some of my fave washing detergent, and it's the Dettol laundry cleanser for odour freshness. Makes sense? Odour-free freshness. I stand by this. I did do a segment on my Instagram the other day on how to like properly wash your clothes, especially if you're young like me and you've just moved out and you want to know like the best affordable and also eco-friendly way of washing your clothes. And I swear by this. This like gets rid of basically the bacteria in your clothes. It can get rid of like sweaty smells and smells you don't want in your clothes. So you add this in your washing machine with your other normal softener. So I will add a capful of this with my normal like Lenor or Bold softener, and it's really good. I actually can't go back now. I just ran out of my previous one, so I've got this. It's actually affordable as well. It was £2.99 and it lasts for quite a while. I had my previous one for 2 months, so that's really good. Also, I just want to say that it also works at a really low temperature, so if you wash your clothes at like 20 or 30 degrees, it still does the job right. You can get in my basket. Okay, another little geeky purchase because I am obsessed with my garden and like making flowers that are good for the bees and butterflies. I bought this gorgeous pot and I absolutely love it. It's basically a growing gift set. So it comes with a nice cute little garden bucket, and it also has the compost and the bulbs inside. So all you need to do really is just empty all the contents into the bucket, the said bucket, and you create these gorgeous beautiful flowers. I love things like these because you can have them kind of like all over. I will probably start this off in my house and then put them in the garden. As I'm moving house, I'm now planting loads of plants that I can take with me rather than in the flower beds. I'm taking this with me. This is very, very friendly stuff for bees and butterflies as well. So we kind of all need to be planting things that are good for the bees, good for the butterflies, because they make the world go round basically, and that's the truth. Really like this. I also thought, oh, cute, this is a great present for your mums, your sisters, your aunties, your friends. Like, it's a good moving in present as well. This was £4.99. I forgot to mention that they are petunia flowers, petunia pink veined flowers. So obviously I was browsing their cleaning section and I found these absolutely adorable utensils that I'm going to use. First thing I found is this gorgeous bamboo duster, and it's made from bamboo wood, so that's quite economical. It's quite good for the economy, and it's got this gorgeous microfiber duster here, and flipping hell, I can't wait to use this right now. I'm going to use it right now, and it has a nice rope so you can kind of hang it up if you've got nice storage like Mrs. Hinch. I don't yet, but when I move, I will. I thought it was really cute. I love the pastel blue colour. Very springy, very summery. The duster itself was £2.99. The top here is Velcro, so you can get these replacements. Obviously here, when this is kind of on its last leg, you can get the replacements and just keep the handle all the time. So that's what I really liked. I also picked up the matching dustpan and brush set. Look how flipping cute it is. Really like it. I'm constantly sweeping the floor, especially the kitchen floor. This is definitely going down really well. My other one is broken now. It's had its day, unfortunately. So in moves this gorgeous bamboo set. I can hang it up again, especially when I have a lovely organised kitchen. I can't wait. This was actually £3.49, so that's not bad for something that will last you quite a while, and it is cute. So I found this gorgeous tray. Is this boring? Do you guys find this stuff boring? Because I don't. I hope you guys don't either. But it's this gorgeous duck and goose tray, and I'm thinking, like, my boyfriend, we are people that love to sit outside, and now we can sit outside. I was thinking, like, I could make some tea and maybe some scones or some tea and biscuits and bring it on my cute little tray to the garden and just put it on the garden furniture. I just really liked it. Sorry, I'm getting a bit over excited about it, aren't I? Very country cottage-esque, which is the kind of vibe that I'm all about. I really like this. The tray was actually surprisingly really cheap. It was only £3.70, so that's quite cheap for something that will last and is just good to use all year round. Bit of breakfast in bed, why not? Okay, don't ask me why, but I have an obsession with growing grass. Does that sound like really weird? But I have this obsession with growing grass and making sure my lawn is always like really nice and healthy. And I bought a massive box of grass seed. Yes, I have gone down the avenue of geek to just becoming a bit of a loser, really. Who doesn't like a nice lawn like I do? Also, I picked up this egg poacher. This is basically an egg poacher where you make the egg like round like this. My boyfriend loves those McMuffins from McDonald's, so he wants to like make his homemade ones at home, and he was talking about how he needs one of these. So I thought I would buy him one just to give him a little bit of fun, really. I used to have quite a lot of poached egg on toast with avocado, and I used to like them with a circle because I don't like them too runny. In this, you can kind of tell when it's cooked and it's not too runny. So I thought this was cute. This is only 99p, why not? So that was actually everything in my The Range haul. If you have a The Range near you, please let me know in the comments down below, because I think they're quite few and far between, but they're actually really, really handy stores, and I personally absolutely love it. I can't wait to go back several times throughout the year because a girl has got stuff to get if she's moving house. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because it really, really does mean the world to me. Remember, I upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on those. I love you very much, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!